Tired of going to laundromats or dealing with bulky washing machines that take up too much space? Today, we're exploring some of the best portable washing machines designed for small apartments, dorms, and even RV living. These compact yet powerful machines are built to save space, water, and time, while still delivering impressive cleaning performance. Whether you need a semi-automatic twin tub or a fully automatic smart washer, these machines are designed to make laundry easier than ever. Let's dive in. The Auertech portable washing machine is a practical and efficient solution for small living spaces where traditional washers simply don't fit. Featuring a twin tub design, it allows you to wash and spin clothes at the same time, saving both time and effort. With an 18-pound washing capacity and a 10-pound spin dryer, it handles daily laundry needs with ease. Powered by a strong 1,300 revolutions per minute motor, this machine delivers quick and effective cleaning while keeping energy and water usage low. The built-in drain pump adds extra convenience by allowing flexible water drainage, even to higher positions. Simple control knobs make operation easy for anyone, while safety features like overheat protection ensure long-term durability. It's a perfect balance of performance and portability for dorms, apartments, and compact homes. The COMFEE portable washing machine brings a smarter, more automated laundry experience in a compact design. Unlike semi-automatic models, this washer offers full automation with 5 different wash programs, including heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak. Its space-saving build, combined with built-in wheels and handles, makes it easy to move and store anywhere. From bathrooms to RVs, the LED display and transparent lid allow you to monitor the entire process, while the stainless steel inner tub ensures durability and hygiene. With energy-saving technology, this machine can reduce consumption significantly compared to traditional washers. It also includes auto unbalance detection for safer and smoother operation. Overall, it's a great option for users who want convenience, efficiency, and a modern washing experience in a compact size. The Erivess compact washing machine is designed for users who want maximum capacity without sacrificing portability. With a 20-pound washer and a 12-pound spinner, this twin tub system allows you to handle larger loads efficiently. Its simple and user-friendly operation makes laundry quick and hassle-free. Just load, set the timer, and let it work. The fast washing and spinning cycles help save valuable time, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. Despite its compact size, the machine is built with durable materials for long-lasting performance. It also focuses on energy and water efficiency, helping you reduce utility costs over time. With added accessories like a drying rack and hangers, it offers a complete laundry solution for small spaces. So whether you're living in a small apartment, a dorm, or traveling in an RV, these portable washing machines prove that you don't need a full-sized setup to get powerful cleaning performance. From twin tub efficiency to full automation, each option brings something unique to the table. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description below. Stay tuned for more smart home gadgets and space-saving solutions. See you in the next video.